ഹലോ, ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്ന ഹാർട്ട് റേറ്റ് മെഷർമെൻറ്റ്സ് ആണ്. ആൻഡ് ദിസ് ഈസ് എ വെരി ബേസിക് വീഡിയോ ആൻഡ് ദിസ് ഈസ് വെരി സിമ്പിൾ ടു. സോ ഇന്നത്തെ ഹാർട്ട് റേറ്റ് മെഷർമെൻറ്റ് മെത്തേഡ് ഉപയോഗിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് വി ക്യാൻ കൗണ്ട് ദ ഹാർട്ട് റേറ്റ് ഫോർ irregular ECG and for regular ECG. Normally this method is used for counting heart rate for irregular ECG, but as I said before, we can use it to count for regular ECG too. So today I'm going to show you how to do it step by step, then the theory behind it. So the first step is count 30 big squares in the ECG paper. So count 30 big squares. So we can start from anywhere. So I put a dot here. So start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 30. So the next step is count QRS complex in the 30 big squares. So starting from here, so this is the starting point of the 30 big squares, so we have to start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got 8 QRS complexes in that 30 big squares. So the step 3 now is to multiply that with the 10. So the QRS complex we got is 80 and that needs to be multiplied with the 10. Heart rate is 80. Now I'm going to show you the theory behind it. You don't need to remember all the steps by heart, but knowing this will make you really confident in measuring heart rate. Previous ECG video inathu I have explained how the ECG machine is looking into the ECG paper. So machine is set up in a way 25 millimeter per second. So ഇത് ECG പേപ്പർ എടുത്ത് നോക്കിക്കഴിഞ്ഞ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അതിൻ്റെ ഒരു സൈഡിനായിട്ട് എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ടാവും that is the standard way. So 25 millimeter per second. That means in 1 second the machine is looking into 25 millimeter. So 25 millimeter per second. That's the speed the ECG paper is running at. So how much is 25 millimeter? One small square is 1 millimeter. So one small square is 1 millimeter. So 25 millimeter means 25 small squares is equal to 25 millimeter. So in one big square there are 5 small squares. So 25 small squares, and that means 5 big squares. Per second. This means 5 big squares per second. So നമ്മൾ ഹാർട്ട് റേറ്റ് മെഷർ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ we need to make this second into 60 seconds because we need the heart rate in a minute. So need to change the second into 60 seconds. So how do we do that? So initially we need to make this into 6 seconds. Then multiply that with the 10. So that is 60 seconds. So this 1 second we need to make into 6 seconds. So 1 times 6, 6 seconds. So the same thing we need to do up here. So 5 big squares times 6. That means 30 big squares in 6 seconds. So now do you remember now we counted 30 big squares, and this is the reason. So 30 big square, when we count, that means we counted 6 seconds. And then need to be multiply that with the 10 is going to give us in 60 seconds. So go back to the practical way. Count 30 big squares and then see how many QRS complexes are in that 30 big squares. So 30 big squares means we are counting in 6 seconds, and then multiply that with the 10 is going to give the heart rate in 60 seconds. So that's about the heart rate. Thank you.